So this is the left hand side of the church. See, we have finished casting the beam lintel shining of this side, this left hand side of the church, and the parapets of the side out of this left hand side. So you see, this is the sanctuary side, which we are going to continue by the grace of God tomorrow. Today is 11th December. So this is the right hand side of the church, which we have also finished casting. Then this is the gallery side. We have not done this gallery side. We still do it by the grace of God, small, maybe by next week. So the church is taking shape, small. It's just taking shape. We thank God for His grace. Thank you, everybody, for all your support. God bless you.